Oh, fuck. When did that get there? Shit. Where there's it? What? Are you fucking serious? Okay, that's a bit of a problem. That is very much a problem. Jesus Christ. Okay. That's gonna be a bit of an issue. Shit. Okay, well I have plenty of time to do this. Oh god. Gotta do a stealth run now. I hope that this thing is light. Like lit up. Dead! No! Oh god! Oh god! Okay, that one doesn't notice me yet. Oh god. Get! No! No! Let me climb! Let me climb! Let me in! Let me in! Oh my god! Don't start the ship yet. Don't start the ship yet.
Okay.
Okay. Holy shit!
Yeah.
Hold on.
As soon as you pulled the apparatus, the old birds started going. They turned on.
I didn't even know they were here.
Yeah, I straight walked past one. It was not powered on yet. And then you pulled the apparatus and it turned on. I'm like, ah, fuck.
There's two more items. There's two more items. I want to try and get them. I don't have anything in my inventory, so just wish me luck. All right.
Good luck, bud. Make it back. I am ready to start the ship whenever.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get the engine first.
Alright.
Oh god. There's a third one. A third one just dropped. Great. Okay, I'm going for it. It's not worth it! Start the ship! Start the ship! Oh god, close the door! Oh my god! Holy fuck! Oh my god!
That was child's play compared to what another person I was watching did. Oh god. Let's just say embryon.
Oh my god, the adrenaline. I was completely surrounded.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, when you start up, you just run away.
I'm glad I got the apparatus at least.
Yeah.
There was like nothing but explosions on my screen.
Yeah, I was gonna drop my flashlight to grab the other stuff, but
Yeah, it's way too risky. That was not a good